Okay, this is the OV07670 camera connected to an Arduino. I can see here that I connected the data pin to the data streaming to the pin 9, and yeah, this is here the connection, the resistors. Then I do have an application in Python that will read the data from the camera. Okay, supposedly we should see this kind of things. And it takes a while to get the whole package, the bytes. And when it's done, we can see the image. Is one here that was generated. I should change a little bit here because the camera is okay in a different position. But here I can see my nodes, the flash memory, the soldering, the book, the keyboard, the mouse track, okay, and some cables here. That's it. This is the OV7670 70.